Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to add a picture in WordPress. In this lesson, you will learn how to log into your WordPress site and upload images quickly and easily. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once you are on the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will see the login option. Selecting the login option initiates the process that allows you to access your administrative dashboard where you can manage and edit your website. After clicking on the login button, you will be welcomed by a screen offering several methods to sign into your account. For this tutorial, we are using the method that allows you to continue with a Google account. Click on the option labeled Continue with Google. You will then be prompted to select the Google account that you wish to use for logging in. This method ensures a smoother and more secure login process if your Google account details are already saved or remembered by your browser. Once you have logged in successfully, find and locate the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Within this section, you need to click on the Edit Site option. This is a crucial step because it takes you to the page editor, where you have full control over the design and content of your site. By selecting Edit Site, you are opening the interface that allows you to manage the visuals and layout of your pages. In the page editor, direct your attention to the top left corner where you will see the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new sections, blocks, or items to your page. Click on the plus icon to initiate the addition of new content. The appearance of this icon signals that WordPress is ready to expand the content of your page with various elements. After clicking the plus icon, a search field will appear in the editing sidebar. Begin typing the word image in this field. This action brings up the image-related blocks that WordPress offers, making it easier for you to choose the appropriate block for inserting your picture into the page. When you see the block labeled image, click on it to select it. This step tells WordPress that you wish to add an image block to your content. Once you have selected the image block, the next move is to click on the option that says Select Image and Media Library. This action opens up your media library where all your uploaded images are stored. Here you can browse and review your previously uploaded pictures, ensuring the one you want to display is ready to be inserted. If you do not see the picture you desire already present in the library, you can always upload a new one from your computer before proceeding. Now that you are in the media library, search for the picture you want to add to your page. Carefully choose the appropriate picture by looking through your media files and selecting the image that best fits your site's design and content strategy. With your image in mind, proceed by clicking on the image to select it from the available options. The final step is to click on the Select button. This confirms your choice and inserts the chosen image into your WordPress page where it can be resized, repositioned, or further edited as needed. Once the image appears in your page editor, you have successfully completed the process of adding a picture to your WordPress site, ensuring a visually enriched website ready for further customization and publication. This straightforward process allows you to effortlessly integrate images into your WordPress content, enhancing the visual appeal and overall engagement of your website. Enjoy the improved aesthetics and functionality of your site as you explore additional customization options available in WordPress.